Please subscribe our channel and press the ring button for latest videos and updates.
Hello friends, hopefully you all are doing well. So today we are going to talk about the most haunted cemeteries in the world. At number 5, we have Chestnut Hill Cemetery, Rhode Island. The story behind the Chestnut Hill Cemetery in Rhode Island is pretty scary. They say that a girl 8-year-old died and his father said she visited him every day asking for food. When the incidences became regular, he decided to take out her body from the grave and drained all of the remaining blood from her organs. Priests of the area believed that this was an unholy act, which led to ghostly state of the girl. There are blue lights over her grave and she is seen in torn black dress, screaming, "Please leave me now and rest in peace." At number 4, we have Bachelor's Grove Cemetery, Chicago. Chicago's Bachelor Grove Cemetery is another creepy place to go. Well, they say that here the ghosts apply the walking dead theory. Yes, according to the local residents, you could see the soul walking around, craving for the life and blood in humans. Another strange thing about this cemetery is the ghost house, a lavish bungalow seen through the fog, but as you move nearer, it vanishes in the air. At number 3, we have Resurrection Cemetery. The Resurrection Cemetery in Chicago can give you a heart attack if you get to see the paranormal activities there. It is believed that a man will ask you for a ride to the graveyard and will vanish into the thin air as soon as you reach there. You can also spot a couple covered in the blood sitting at the entrance. It is believed that they died in a road accident after attending a funeral. And the scariest thing is that you will see a bride searching for her head amongst the graves. Creepy enough. At number 2, we have Boot Hill Cemetery. Boot Hill Cemetery, located in the town of Tombstone in US, is one of the haunted cemeteries in the world. Well, the name of the town itself suggests its history. It is believed that several years ago, a gunfight happened here, leaving 3 men of the same group dead. People say that men are still seen walking in blood on the road to take revenge of their deaths. At number 1, we have St. Louis Cemetery. The paranormal experts have called the St. Louis Cemetery number 1 as the most haunted graveyard in the whole world. The most famous ghost here is of Mary, the Voodoo Princess. People come to her grave and engrave 3 X's on it, which means that she will grant the wish you make. Visitors have also seen transparent figures moving on the top of the graves and shouting children, which disappears as soon as you turn around.